Lounge on the main street of Kerikeri. We've got second-hand CDs out the front. Got quite a large selection. Got quite a few guitars. Quite a nice selection. Got more CDs in here. We've got quite a few. Not too many that I actually recognise here. Oh no, looking at the names here. Got a nice piano, some ukuleles, a little bit of a notice board. A little bit of a thing in there. So, hey mate.
Oh yeah.
What music do you specialise in? Like, what's your prominent genre? Would you say?
All sorts of genres in here, buddy.
Oh yeah.
All sorts.
Yeah.
It's your genre that walks into the shop here and picks something.
Yeah.
You know, because we've got all sorts here, everything.
Oh yeah. Nothing too prominent that you sell, mostly?
No, we have our areas, like our reggae area.
Oh yeah.
The
reggae.
Yeah, kids, two-pack and the hip-hop. And the,
Oh yeah, we've got the hip-hop
stuff
here. Oh yeah.
Otherwise, all the rest is the alphabetical front window. And,
Yeah.
And mainly the new stuff is
Oh yeah.
walls here.
New stuff on the walls here. Oh yeah. The wheel out in there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Cheers, thank you. A little bit behind the scenes in there. Got some amps and electric guitars we're looking at. I haven't seen any. Oh, and I take that back. Here we have the basses, and we got some keyboards. We've got a keyboard. Got some more CDs in here. Got quite a few vinyls there as well. Quite a nice store here. And that is the Sound Lounge on Main Street of Kerikeri.